Ready?
I'm feeling a bit sorry for myself because Jacques has woke me up from my slumber. But a good mate pre-skins your skis. That's what Jacques did. So these are your skins. They stop you sliding backwards. And you open your binding like that. And miraculously you can walk. There really is nothing to it other than a bit of leg fitness. And it's quite good fun, start on a gentle-ish slope, which is what we're going to do, and hike.
Alrighty, so that's our first hike done. We made it to the top, had something to eat, and now we're heading down. Basically 3.5 bindings between the two of us, so hopefully we get done. But the sun's coming out, it's looking quite good.
He broke his binding, so I'm not helping him.
Yep, so I guess that means
on your own.
I'm on my own.
See you, bye.
I hope I get to the bottom. And he's off. Cheers guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe if you like our channel. As always, we'll link in the YouTube, the Instagram down below in the description. Drop us a comment if there's anything you would like to tell us. If you want to laugh at me for breaking a binding, you can do that as well. And yeah, thanks guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Cheerio.